Hi, I am Luis and today I want to talk about what I do every day. Okay, I wake up at 5:30 am, I brush my teeth, then I go to the gym. When I go back, I have my breakfast and I take a shower. I usually take a shower when I go back to the gym. I take my motorcycle and I go to my job. I work in a clothes shop. There I do many things. When it's at noon, I have my lunch and I take a nap. When I arrive again to my work, I do many things of studies. Eventually, my day finished. I go home. I do many homework of the university. Then I check my social networks and I listen to the music later. I am ready to sleep and starting a new day. Usually, this is what I do every day of the week. On Saturday, I also work all day. And when I go home at night, if I have animosity. I go out for a while with some friends to chat and eat ice cream and enjoy the moment. I also visit my friends who come to the city on Saturday nights. Or if my best friend is the city, we go to the nightclub and we end the night dancing. I also go out and enjoy a moment with my parents. We always go to eat sometime or we watch some horror movies in the cinema. On Sundays, I always wake up late because I like it to rest after a very exhausting week. Sometimes I see many series on Netflix and go to mass in the afternoon. Then I go to visit my mother and spend a nice time with her. When I return home, I organize my work clothes. I start the week with all the activities.